Ever wondered what it would be like to star in your own iPod movie? Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of Sora 2 and showing you exactly how to put your face into its mind-blowing AI videos first. You'll need access to Sora 2. Keep in mind that it's still in limited release, so access may vary once you have access. Explore the platform's interface and locate the avatar creation or customization section. The key is a clear, front-facing photo. Ensure good lighting and minimal obstructions like hats or sunglasses. This will allow the AI to accurately map your features. Upload your chosen photo to the platform. Sora 2 will analyze your photo and generate a basic avatar. Review this initial avatar carefully. Pay attention to how accurately your key facial features are represented. Now comes the fun part: customization. Use the platform's tools to refine your avatar. Adjust your eye shape, nose, mouth, and overall face structure to more closely resemble your own. You can also experiment with different hairstyles, clothing, and accessories to match the desired role in your AI video. Next, craft a detailed text prompt. Describe the scene you want to create, incorporating your avatar's appearance and actions. The more specific you are, the better the results will be. For example, you could write, "A futuristic warrior with." Sora 2 will then generate a video based on your prompt, seamlessly integrating your personalized avatar into the scene. Review the generated video and make any necessary adjustments to your avatar or text prompt for optimal results. Experiment with different prompts, styles, and avatar customizations to create a diverse range of iPod videos starring you. Now you can explore fantastical and realistic scenarios all with your face. So get creative and share your awesome creations online using AI avatars and Sora AI so others can see.